ladies. How's it going?
Pretty good.
You know, today in my science inquiry, I had this interesting question asked about what's inside a kangaroo's pouch.
Oh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Did you guys just feel that? What is going on?
Did you know that there's an earthquake every 30 seconds somewhere on Earth?
Our Earth is changing every day right under our feet, and we don't even notice it.
Our changing Earth! In order to teach our students these lessons and to help us plan the lessons for our students, we will be using this nutshell kit. Let's see if we can crack this nutshell open.
We have a funnel, a plastic tube, we have some plastic cups, foam cups I mean, a clear box which you can put the clay in,
It's a rectangular prism.
clay, a cup to hold water or other liquids, a foam square, a cutout for a volcano, red food coloring, some more foam squares. I'm figuring these are for the plate tectonics. Cardboard cutouts, some rope and some ribbon for shake, rattle, and roll, some tape, and a knife.
That's a lot in one nut.
In order to aid our teaching, we have these activity guides and activity journals for our students to use while they're completing the activities from our nutshell kit.
This activity guide tells you what kind of activities you can do with the materials that are in the nutshell kit. They're materials related to earthquakes, volcanoes, plate tectonics, faults under the Earth's crust, and all sorts of things with geology. So the sorts of things that you can do, there's all kinds of activities in here, such as this one, which is about the Earth's layers and the Earth's crust, right under your feet. This one is about continental drift. It's called a drift. You put foam pieces and water and watch them like drift apart. Finding faults is one where you make fault lines with clay and mountains, and you get to see how faults form by pushing the clay together, just like the Earth's crust. And this one, fireworks, tells you like how a volcano works when it erupts and things like that. So there's all kinds of really fun activities in here, and we are going to demonstrate one, shake, rattle, and roll, that tells you about earthquakes and see some sort of causes of cracks and faults in the Earth's crust.
I said shake, rattle, and roll. I said shake, rattle, and roll. I said shake, rattle, and roll.
Cut the ribbon into pieces that are about 4 inches long. Then tie the ribbons at equal distances along the rope. First, we will cut the ribbon. Next, tie the ribbons at equal distances along the rope. Ta-da! To hold one end of the rope, while a second team member holds the other end of the rope. Then they pull the rope as tight as they can. Grab the rope in the center and pull and release it very sharply. After you have performed this, get out your journal page for activity 8 and describe how the rope and ribbon moved. Continue holding the rope at both ends. This time, move a little closer to each other. Now, move your hands up and down while your partner holds the other end still. Now, go back to your activity journal, Activity 8, and describe the shape the rope forms this time. Still, holding the rope at both ends, move your hand left and right while your partner holds the other end still. Where does the movement of the rope begin? How does the movement travel through the rope? This is similar to the way that seismic waves act during an earthquake. A few more questions that they can think about is, they know that the ribbon moves up and down as the rope vibrates, so how can the movement of the ribbons be compared to rock particles in the earth? All of these questions can be found in our lovely activity journal, Activity 8.
Thank you for watching Science Inquiry. Join us next week when we talk about plants. How do they grow?